Hey everyone, it's Bree here, and I'm here with a quick video to show you guys how I make my no-fail crock pot green beans. I love green beans because they're great for anti-aging, they're great for antioxidants, they're rich in fiber, they boost cell production, they boost your immunity, and they're a great source of vitamin K, vitamin C, a whole bunch of other things. If you need any more information, check out my Instagram. So first we're going to get into washing them. These are fresh, but even if you buy them frozen, always do a little light rinse first. You have no idea what they went through before they got to you. I don't rinse in warm water, just a little, I guess, lukewarm so you don't shock your hands. Look how great and fresh these look. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do really quickly, we're going to add an onion. Onions are so great for you. They're packed with nutrients. They're often called nutrient dense, meaning they're low in calories but packed with vitamins and minerals. And they're also loaded with antioxidants. So I don't know if this is the proper way to cut an onion. This is just the way I cut an onion. It works for me. I know there's like a culinary way you're supposed to cut an onion, but I don't know it yet. And for the purposes of this video, it's not a big deal to me. You do it however you do it. Cut up your onion as small or as large as you would like. I have small children, so they would prefer not so huge chunks of onion in their green beans. And then the second thing we're going to cut up is one of my favorites, garlic. I absolutely love garlic to death. You're just going to take that covering off. I love garlic to death. You're going to cut it up however you want. It's highly nutritious, but again, very few calories. It is compounded with so many medicinal properties. Even the active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. It helps improve cholesterol levels, which lower the risk of heart disease. Some of the medicinal properties can even battle the common cold. It's just amazing. I use garlic in everything as much as I can when I want to. Cut it up as small as you like, just like you did the onions. It doesn't really matter. Now, you're going to take the green beans and put them in the crock pot. I have not turned the crock pot on. I don't do the preheating or anything like that. I don't want to completely cook the nutrients out of everything. I want to make sure it's still fresh. So I'm going to mix it all up. My garlic, my onions, my green beans. Make sure you get everything in there. I don't like to be wasteful. And I'm going to mix it up with a spoon to make sure everything gets evenly distributed. Mix, 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 mix. Then I'm going to add my favorite pink Himalayan sea salt, which is great for metabolism functioning. It strengthens your bones, increases hydration. It balances those electrolytes in your body. It even helps with acid reflux. And then I add a little black pepper, which I love, or you can use cayenne. And then I'm going to add my mushroom broth. If you want to use beef broth or chicken broth, you can. This is just my mushroom broth that I made with a little coconut oil. If you guys want a video for that, I guess I can make one, but it's super easy. It's about as easy as this recipe. That's pretty much it. Now I'm just going to mix everything up. Mix it all together. And that's it. I'm going to turn the crock pot on. In the video, I turned it on warm, but that was a mistake. Turn it on high. I cooked these for about an hour. They're still tender. They're still crunchy. And that's it, guys. Delicious. Thanks so much for watching.